Hey guys, how's it going? How to delete Cash App account. So log in or open the mobile device on your phone, transfer remaining balance if there's any remaining balance, and then go to the account settings and then select support or settings, and then search for close account or delete account. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to close your account, and you may need to confirm your decision via email or SMS. After confirming, your account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to download any transaction history you need before you're deleting your account, as this action cannot be undone. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.